What's up? How's it going?
Good. We can't have you recording.
You can't have me recording?
Nope.
What's up, champs? Welcome to today's video. My name is Trevor Peterson. I'm a full-time 7-figure Amazon seller, and what I do is called Amazon Private Label. Here we are with my brother, Cade Peterson, and he started doing retail arbitrage 2 years ago, and he's slowly been growing his retail arbitrage business to then save up enough money to then start private label. And a lot of people on my channel have been asking me about retail arbitrage and how to get started and what is the process. So here we are, we're in the parking lot of Walmart, as you guys can see, and we're going to take you guys on a journey, and we're going to show you guys the entire process and show you how to basically start with a couple $100s, flip it into 200, and then keep growing that so that you guys can grow it to where you have enough to start your own private label business. So I'm really excited to take you guys on the journey. He knows everything about it, so he's going to be teaching us. So let's get into it. All right, so here we are in Walmart. We're going to the first stop, but I want to break down what retail arbitrage is. Hopefully you guys can hear me with the mask on, this requirement, but basically retail arbitrage is where you buy low and you sell high. So you're trying to find products that you can flip for a profit on Amazon, and there's a way to sell, check like your eligibility to see whether or not it's profitable, whether or not you can actually sell the product, because as you guys know, there's gated categories, there's restricted products, so you have to go about it that way. So we're gonna show you guys the process.
Okay, so we just got to the clearance section. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna open your Amazon seller app, go to the camera, and you can take any product and just scan the barcode, and the product will pull right up. And then right here is when you're gonna wanna start doing the process of figuring out whether this product is profitable or not.
Okay, so here we are in the aisles, and I wanna explain the difference between private label and retail arbitrage, okay? So what's up? How's it going?
Good. We can't have you recording.
You can't have me recording?
Nope.
Why not?
Because it's a Walmart policy.
A Walmart policy?
Yeah.
I've seen millions of videos
I know,
with
they're
Walmart
not
policy.
supposed to be.
All right, sounds good, thank you. All right, so we almost just got kicked out because I guess we're not supposed to film, but we found some products and he's gonna break down some stuff, so here we go.
All right, so we have this product right here. Honestly, I have no idea what it is, but it sells for $7. And we can see that it usually sells for $16.97. So we're gonna go to the camera, and we're gonna scan the barcode, and the product's gonna pull up. We're gonna click on the product, so we can see that I am eligible to sell this product. And then if you come up here, we see that the sales rank is really good. 7,000 is a really good sales rank in this category. It is $23.59 in FBA, and so we're not gonna sell it for this price. We're gonna sell it for this price because we're doing Amazon FBA and not merchant fulfilled. So if we click right there, we can do the profitability calculator. And I'll show you how that works when it pulls up. Okay, so we're gonna enter in that number that I just mentioned, $23.59, because that is the price that we're gonna sell it for. The cost of the purchase is $7. And then the fees with the FBA, Amazon does for you. And then the shipping to Amazon is gonna be 9 cents. And we can see that when I send it to Amazon, I'm gonna get $10.46 back when I sell this product, which is a great investment.
All right, so that's the goal. I mean, right here, we have 2 of them. They sell for $7, and you can flip them on Amazon and make $10 each unit. So literally turning $14 into $20 profit. So you get your 14 back, and then you get another $20 on top of that. And if you just continue to replicate that process, you can slowly grow from $20 to 100 to then 1,000. And so it's really scalable, and I hope that this helps. All right, so we just wrapped up Walmart. We were in there for about 25 minutes. People were getting mad at me for filming, and we found 3 products, and the 3 different products was a total for $25 profit. So not bad for a couple minutes of work to just go in, check the clearance aisles to see what's on sale, what's not. And that's kind of the name of the game. You're just gonna have to get to the stores, Walmart, Target, Dick's Sporting Goods, start scanning different products. And once you find them, you just buy them and then you send them into Amazon. So we're gonna head to the next store, see what else we can find. Hopefully we can film and document a little bit more, but let's get to it. All right, so here we are inside Dick's Sporting Goods. We're on the clearance aisle. So what we're looking for is shoes that are on sale that you can buy low and sell high on Amazon for a profit. So right here, there's footwear, so you guys can take an extra 75% off, 50% off, 15% off. So we're gonna start scanning some shoes and see what we can find.
All right, so we're gonna take this pair of shoes for example. So the price is $69.97, and we can see that there's a pink sticker. And if we look back at the price reduction, we can see that means it's a 15% off. So let's say that's about $57 for this product. So we're gonna take our Amazon app, scan the barcode, the product comes right up, and so we're gonna click on it to learn a little bit more. Okay, so we can see that I am eligible to sell the product. Amazon is not selling the product, which means they are not competition. We can see that the lowest offer in Amazon FBA is $130, and we're gonna be selling it through Amazon FBA and not through FBM, which is these offers right here. And then if we come up here, we can also see that the sales rank is really good. And so now if we click right here, we can go to the profitability calculator and see how much profit we can make from selling this product. So I just entered in all the information, and we can see that I can sell it for $130 and I can buy it for $58, which means with all of the fees and everything included, it is a profit of $55.17. And if we look, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 of this exact same pairs of shoes, which means when we buy all 4 pair, we'll be able to sell each one and get $55 profit and make over $200 profit just off these 4 pairs of shoes.
So as you guys can see, there's a huge opportunity to buy low, sell high, and start with a low budget and slowly build it. And just like that, we made $200, and that's one store, and we've been here for no more than 5 minutes. So this is how you can start on a budget, start with retail arbitrage, and then slowly save up. And then once you have enough money, you can then invest in private label products where you don't have to actually go to the store and find deals. You can literally order thousands of units of the same exact product. So that one is more scalable. This one is great to start out as a beginner and if you're on a budget. So if you guys want to learn more about retail arbitrage, my brother actually put together an entire training program breaking down step by step everything that he's learned in the past 2 years of how to do retail arbitrage. So I went through and I helped him, and there's an Amazon Champion retail arbitrage course now. So if you guys are interested, click the link down below, sign up. It is dirt cheap, super affordable, obviously because we're starting on a budget. So if you guys are interested, click that, get signed up. It's a great way to start. And then from there, you can learn how to grow your Amazon business, get familiar with the platform, start with retail arbitrage, and then as you grow and you start saving up money, you can then transition to private label, which you can grow even bigger. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the ride along. There was a lot of ups and downs, but I enjoyed it. And if you guys are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, like the video, drop a comment, and we'll see you in the next video.